Hey guys, so today I will show you how to get the IP items for free cause we broke, so let's go. Remember to subscribe. I worked so hard on the video.
First, wear this coat dress. Toggle it to toggle number 3. Wear these arm warmers. Get this choker. And the pink sleeves. Color them all. Results. Get this summer dress. Changed to skirt only. Color the inner part to your liking. And the lining to your skin color. Results. This crop top. These sleeves. Color. Results. Wear these tops, these skirts. Results. Wear these tops and the sleeves. Color.
Results.
These items. Color. Results. Wear this. Color. Results. These sleeves. This top.
Color.
Results.
Alright guys, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more content and comment for part 2, or if you have any items you want me to remake.